So I didn't record this, but I finally put a cover onto my Bear e-brake. And I also finally got my hood to pop, so I finally got to see what the engine looks like. So I did a totally crap job at recording, and it just kind of ended up working this way, but I actually last week or the week before finally took the time and worked on taking my front seats out so I could put the seatbelt latches in. And then later in the video you'll see I actually took my back seat out as well, but I didn't video it, so it's just a picture. Sorry guys. So something fun, my front seats did not come with screws for the new seat belts, but just discovered I have seat belts in the back, so I'm just gonna steal screws from those. So this is the picture I took when I got the bottom half out and was trying to figure out how to get the top off. Okay, so all I have to do is put the seats back in, except for the back seat, obviously. I had to jack the screws from the rear seat belts. So like I said, I did a crap job of recording that whole entire process, but I wanted to get a small video up for you guys to show like the progress that I'm making. I tested the seatbelt latches, made sure that they actually fit with the seatbelt. They do, which is great. And then I put the front seats back in, obviously, because I can't drive it without them. So the only thing that I really need to do is I need to get a couple like small things for the interior of the car, like a fire extinguisher. I still need to fix the hood release cable, and eventually I need to disconnect the airbag module. But aside from that, the interior of the car is pretty much done for the way that it's gonna be for right now. I'm gonna drift it, you know, the way it is and see, you know, how I feel about things. But that is the video for today. I wanted to show you guys some progress, and I will see you guys in the next video.